Imagine turning your garden and home from tired and messy to fresh and flawless, all with zero effort and under $20. Sounds too good to be true. Well, today on Timeless Gardening, I'm showing you 16 incredible budget-friendly cleaners from Dollar Tree and beyond that make this magic happen. No scrubbing, no stress, just easy, powerful results. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, your go-to channel for effortless garden and home care tips that save time and money. If you love simple hacks that deliver big transformations, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future budget-friendly gardening and home hacks. Let's get started. Number 1. MultiPurpose Garden Cleaner. Spray MultiPurpose Garden Cleaner Spray from Dollar Tree. This affordable spray is a true game changer for your outdoor spaces. Whether it's plastic pots, metal garden furniture, or stone pathways, this cleaner quickly breaks down dirt, grime, and even stubborn water stains. What makes it special is how easy it is to use. Just spray generously on the surface. Let it sit for a minute, then wipe away with a damp cloth or sponge. No scrubbing required. It's also safe for most plants nearby, so you don't have to worry about harming your greenery. I recommend using this once a week to maintain a fresh, spotless garden without spending hours cleaning. Plus, it leaves a subtle fresh scent that makes your outdoor area inviting. For anyone looking to brighten up their garden with minimal effort and budget, this Dollar Tree spray is a must-have. Number 2. Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Microfiber cleaning cloths from Dollar Tree are an absolute must-have for your home cleaning routine. These cloths are incredibly soft, yet highly effective at trapping dust, dirt, and even pet hair without scratching your surfaces. Use them dry for quick dusting, or dampen slightly to wipe down countertops, shelves, window sills, and even delicate electronics. Their fine fibers reach into tiny crevices that regular cloths can't touch, giving your home a thorough clean with very little effort. What's even better is that they're reusable and machine washable, making them both eco-friendly and budget-friendly. Keeping a few of these cloths handy around your home ensures that every surface from your living room furniture to kitchen appliances stays fresh and spotless with minimal time and zero harsh chemicals. For under $2, this simple tool makes your cleaning routine faster and more effective. Number 3. Baking Soda and Vinegar Cleaner. Baking Soda and Vinegar Cleaner, a classic natural duo that's perfect for your garden. This combo is powerful yet gentle, making it ideal for cleaning outdoor tiles, pots, and even your garden tools. To make it, mix half a cup of baking soda with a cup of white vinegar in a spray bottle. When you spray it on dirty surfaces, it fizzes and lifts away grime and mildew effortlessly. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, then rinse with water or wipe down with a cloth. This cleaner is completely safe for plants and won't harm the soil, so you can clean around your garden beds without worry. Plus, baking soda deodorizes, while vinegar cuts through dirt, leaving your garden smelling fresh and looking brand new. Best of all, these ingredients cost just a few dollars and are staples you probably already have at home. Number 4. Magic Erasers. Magic erasers from Dollar Tree are one of the easiest ways to tackle stubborn stains inside your home. Whether it's scuff marks on your walls, sticky residue on your kitchen counters, or grimy spots on your bathroom tiles, these sponges work like magic with just a little water. There's no need for harsh chemical cleaners. The slightly abrasive texture of the eraser lifts dirt away with almost zero effort. Just dampen the eraser, gently rub the stained area, and watch the marks disappear. Be cautious on delicate surfaces, as it can remove paint or finishes if used too vigorously. For quick, zero-effort cleaning that makes your home look fresh and bright, these erasers are a budget-friendly essential you'll want to keep on hand. Number 5. CitrusBased Spray Cleaner. CitrusBased Spray Cleaner is a fantastic way to freshen up your garden spaces, especially patio cushions, outdoor screens, and even your porch railings. Many citrus cleaners use natural oils from lemons or oranges, which cut through dirt and grime while leaving a refreshing scent behind. You can find affordable citrus-based sprays for under $10 at many stores, or you can even make your own by mixing water, a few drops of lemon essential oil, and a splash of white vinegar in a spray bottle. Just spritz it onto cushions or fabric, and gently wipe down with a clean cloth to remove dust and light stains. Not only does it clean, but the citrus oils also act as natural repellents for some insects, making your outdoor area cleaner and more comfortable with zero extra effort. Number 6. Disposable cleaning wipes. Disposable cleaning wipes from Dollar Tree are a lifesaver for quick no-fuss cleaning inside your home. These pre-moistened wipes are perfect for wiping down kitchen counters, bathroom surfaces, light switches, and even door handles without having to get out sprays, buckets or cloths. Because they come ready to use, you just grab a wipe and go, no rinsing required. They're especially handy for those little daily messes that can pile up but don't need a full deep clean. Keep a pack in your kitchen, bathroom, or near your front door for instant surface refreshment anytime. For under $2, these wipes make your home look clean and polished in seconds, with minimal effort. Number 7. Soft brush set and disposable gloves. Soft brush set and disposable gloves from Dollar Tree make garden cleaning both easy and gentle. The soft brushes are perfect for loosening dirt and dust from delicate plants, flower pots, and intricate garden ornaments, without causing any damage. Paired with lightweight disposable gloves, they protect your hands from dirt and any mild chemicals you might use while cleaning. This combo lets you tackle grime in hard-to-reach spots, like between leaves or inside decorative crevices, with zero effort and no risk of harm to your plants or skin. Plus, the brushes are small and easy to handle, making quick touch-ups around the garden a breeze. For under $5, this set helps keep your outdoor space looking neat and cared for, without any heavy scrubbing. Number 8. Window Cleaning Kit. Window Cleaning Kit from Dollar Tree is a simple budget-friendly solution for streak-free glass inside and outside your home. This kit usually includes a small squeegee, a microfiber cloth, and a spray bottle. Everything you need for sparkling clean windows without expensive cleaners or complicated tools. To use, spray your favorite glass cleaner, or a homemade mix of water and vinegar, then wipe with the cloth to remove dust and fingerprints. Follow up with the squeegee to pull off excess liquid and prevent streaks. It works great on windows, glass doors, mirrors, and even glass tabletops. With this kit, you can quickly refresh your home's appearance, letting in more natural light and making your space feel bright and inviting, all for just a few dollars. Number 9. Pressure washer attachment. Pressure washer attachment under $20 is an effortless way to blast away dirt, moss, and grime from your garden patios, driveways, and walls. This handy tool connects to your regular garden hose and uses high water pressure to do the heavy cleaning for you, saving hours of scrubbing. It's perfect for removing stubborn stains and buildup on hard outdoor surfaces without damaging them. Just attach, turn on the water, and guide the nozzle. No chemicals needed. This quick method refreshes your outdoor space, making it look brand new with minimal effort and cost. Ideal for anyone wanting to maintain a pristine garden environment without breaking the bank or breaking a sweat. Number 10. All-Purpose Spray Cleaner. All-Purpose Spray Cleaner under $10 is a must-have for your home's quick and effective cleaning. This versatile cleaner works wonders on kitchen counters, sinks, appliances, and bathroom surfaces, cutting through grease, grime, and fingerprints in seconds. Spray it on, wipe with a cloth, and your surfaces instantly shine without leftover residue or harsh chemicals. It's a simple way to keep your home looking spotless and smelling fresh every day, all while staying budget-friendly. Having this cleaner on hand makes zero-effort maintenance easy, so you can focus on enjoying your beautiful space. Number 11. Leaf Blower. Leaf Blower, under $20 basic model or attachment, is a game-changer for effortless garden cleanup. Instead of bending and sweeping for hours, simply power up this lightweight blower to clear leaves, grass clippings, and small debris from your lawn, garden paths, and patios in minutes. It's especially useful after windy days, or seasonal changes when outdoor mess piles up fast. Using a leaf blower saves you back and energy, letting you maintain a neat and tidy garden with minimal effort. Plus, many affordable models or attachments fit standard garden hoses or batteries, making them a budget-friendly investment for easy garden maintenance. Number 12. Essential Oil Diffuser. Essential Oil Diffuser for your home adds a fresh and inviting atmosphere, while subtly aiding cleaning efforts. Using blends with lemon, eucalyptus, or tea tree oils helps reduce airborne bacteria and keeps your room smelling clean without overpowering scents. Simply add a few drops to water in the diffuser, turn it on, and let it run while you relax or clean. This zero-effort step enhances your home's overall freshness and can even repel common household pests. Priced under $20, it's a small addition that makes a big difference in how clean and welcoming your space feels. Number 13. Hose and Soap Dispenser. Hose and Soap Dispenser, paired with garden soap, is an effortless way to keep your outdoor furniture, walls, and even your car looking spotless. This handy device attaches directly to your garden hose and automatically mixes soap with water as you spray, turning your regular hose into a powerful cleaning tool. Just fill the dispenser with garden-safe soap, turn on the water, and rinse away dirt and grime without bending or scrubbing. It's perfect for quickly refreshing large outdoor surfaces like patio furniture, fences, and siding with minimal effort. For under $20, this setup saves you time and energy, while delivering professional-looking results right in your own garden. Number 14. Lint Roller for Dust and Pet Hair. Lint Roller for Dust and Pet Hair is a surprisingly simple yet effective cleaner for your home. Keep one handy to quickly remove dust, pet hair, and lint from upholstery, lampshades, curtains, and even clothes. Instead of dragging out bulky vacuum cleaners or sticky brushes, a few quick rolls of this sticky roller lift away particles that dull your home's appearance. It's lightweight, inexpensive, and perfect for last-minute touch-ups before guests arrive. For under $5, a lint roller is a zero-effort way to instantly make your living spaces look cleaner and more polished. Number 15. Outdoor Furniture Covers. Outdoor furniture covers from Dollar Tree or other budget stores are an excellent zero-effort way to keep your garden furniture looking brand new. By simply slipping these covers over your chairs, tables, and benches when they're not in use, you protect them from dust, rain, bird droppings, and fading from sun exposure. This means less frequent cleaning and maintenance, saving you time and effort in the long run. These covers are lightweight, easy to put on and take off, and cost just a few dollars, making them a smart investment for preserving the look of your outdoor space without any heavy lifting or scrubbing. Number 16. Sink and Drain Cleaning Tablets from Dollar Tree. Sink and Drain Cleaning Tablets from Dollar Tree or under $5 stores work quietly in the background to keep your kitchen and bathroom drains fresh and clog-free. Simply drop a tablet into your drain once a week and let it dissolve. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals, no hassle. These tablets break down grease, hair, and soap scum, preventing buildup and unpleasant odors. They're an easy budget-friendly way to maintain a clean-smelling, smoothly draining home with zero effort on your part. Bonus tips. Simple habits for a sparkling garden and home. Keeping your garden and home looking brand new doesn't always mean big cleaning sessions. Sometimes, small daily habits save you hours of work and keep your spaces fresh effortlessly. First, get into the routine of wiping down your garden furniture and outdoor cushions after rain or dusty days. A quick spray with your multi-purpose cleaner and a wipe prevents dirt buildup and stains. Inside your home, make it a habit to declutter surfaces daily. Less clutter means less dust and faster cleaning. Use your microfiber cloths to dust high-traffic areas regularly. It only takes a minute, but keeps your home looking polished. Protect your garden furniture and delicate surfaces with covers when not in use, to reduce exposure to dirt and weather damage. Organize your cleaning tools and keep them accessible so you can do quick touch-ups anytime, avoiding overwhelming messes. Finally, schedule small cleaning sessions rather than waiting for major dirt to pile up. Consistency is key to zero-effort maintenance. These simple habits, combined with the affordable cleaners we covered, will keep your garden and home looking fresh and brand new all year round. And there you have it, 16 zero-effort cleaners that make your garden and home look brand new, all from Dollar Tree, and under $20. These budget-friendly products and simple habits take the stress and hard work out of cleaning, so you can spend more time enjoying your beautiful spaces. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your favorite easy cleaning hacks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who love budget-friendly garden and home tips. Don't forget to subscribe to Timeless Gardening and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video packed with easy, affordable ways to refresh your space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.